At an indoor track, the amount of grip will affect the type of line and braking technique you use. This is the Villaggio karting track, where the track surface is made up of a rubbery paint material. Across the years, the surface fades away, which makes the track extremely slippery to drive on, so you're going to be sliding a lot. During this time, there was no grip on the inside of the corners, which meant I had to take a wider line when cornering. I was quite aggressive with my braking, going for an early threshold brake to lock the rear tyres, induce some rotation and a high amount of slip angle. This would allow me to get onto the accelerator well before the apex of the corner. Also, the kart would not judder in the corners, so I could afford to use this technique. Fast forward to today, and Villaggio have just resurfaced their track, and now there is too much grip in the corners. When I tried to take a wide line and threshold brake on this surface, number one, I was wasting meters by going too wide. And number two, the kart would judder excessively because there was too much grip. I discovered the fastest way to take the corners now was to take a tighter line on entry and then brake longer and more progressively into the corner. And just before the apex, get back onto the accelerator again. Watch this lap where I'm driving on the old surface and listen to how much the tyre scrub and observe my steering inputs. Now watch this lap where I'm driving on the new surface and listen if my tyres scrub and observe my steering inputs. Now there's a big difference in my driving style. On the old surface, I'm sliding more and counter-steering more as I'm on the limit of grip. Not that there is that much, but on the new surface, there is no sliding or counter-steering at all because there was so much grip. And if I attempted to be a bit more aggressive with my braking and steering, the kart will judder. So on a slippery indoor track with poor grip, take a wider line and go for threshold braking. Whereas at an indoor track with lots and lots of grip, take a tighter line and be more progressive with your braking. Let us know in the comments what techniques you use to drive on a track with lots of grip and on a track with poor grip. Additionally, you can get my free Go Karting ebook, which covers the fundamentals about rental karting. But until the next video guys, I'll see you next time.